All right, so this one says Tomás faces due north, and then he turns clockwise until he's facing due east. How many radians did he turn? All right, so this will be interesting. So you got to draw the picture first. I like to draw the picture first. This looks pretty fancy. All right, so he starts off facing due north, okay? So he's right here. Then he rotates until he's facing due east, okay? Now, how many radians is that? First of all, I'm pretty sure everybody in here can guess how many degrees that is. Does anybody know how many degrees that is? Huh? All right, so let's recap a couple things, okay? We'll do a little geometry review. Actually, from here to here is 180 degrees. A straight line is 180 degrees, but in radians, it's equal to pi. Okay? What he did was he went from here to here. What do you think that is? 90 degrees. Now, it's 1/2 of 180 degrees. Well, that means this is 1/2 pi, right? But now here's the thing. One thing that I missed, and I kind of made a mistake. He turned counterclockwise. What the heck is going on with Mr. Adams? So he didn't turn that way. Actually, he started here and he went this way, 90 degrees, right? That's 90 degrees, or 1/2 pi. Then all the way down here, that's another 90 degrees, or 1/2 pi. And then he turned until he got here, which is another 1/2 pi. And also another 90 degrees. So what he actually did is he started off here and he went around this way. Well, that's 270 degrees. And how many 1/2 pi's did he turn? Or 3 pi over 2. 3 1/2 pi's. 3 times 1/2 pi is 3 pi over 2. Does that make sense? A little geometry there. Does anybody have any questions about that one? Okay. You guys make those same mistakes too. So we all make those mistakes. I just caught it because when I finished the problem, I looked at my solution. I said, "Oh yeah, it's counterclockwise. We gotta go the other way." Now, if he had turned clockwise, right? Then now, how many of you guys know what clockwise means and counterclockwise? Okay, if you watch a clock, that's why it's called clockwise. A clock. This is clockwise. Because that's the way the hands rotate around, right? So that's clockwise. Oh, I got to move my face. I got to move it way over here. So that's clockwise if you spin this way. And just think, which way do the hands on the clock spin? And then a different color. Counterclockwise is the opposite direction. So that's counterclockwise. Now, if you're not 100% sure on clockwise and counterclockwise, you probably should write this down in your notebook. Okay? All right. Good. What's the next question